The eufy E28 is a cutting-edge robotic vacuum and mop designed to deliver an unparalleled deep cleaning experience. Combining powerful suction, innovative mopping technology, and intelligent navigation, the E28 ensures spotless floors with minimal user intervention. Special thanks to eufy for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in the E28, shop the link in the video description. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that struggle with real-time mop cleaning and deep stains, the E28 is engineered with advanced features such as HydroJet floor washing system, 20,000 pascals turbo suction power, and the FlexiOne detachable deep cleaning head. Its DuoSpiral Detangle brushes prevent hair entanglement, while the smart corner brush extends to reach tight spaces. Furthermore, AI-powered obstacle avoidance enhances navigation, and the all-in-one station automates cleaning maintenance, making the E28 a true hands-free cleaning companion. The HydroJet system redefines robotic mopping by ensuring real-time self-cleaning of the mop, a feature lacking in most other robotic vacuums. Traditional robots often spread dirt around because their mops become saturated with grime during use. The E28 combats this issue with a high-speed dual scraper mechanism that scrubs the mop 360 times per minute, ensuring it remains clean throughout the process. Additionally, it applies 1.5 kilograms of downward pressure, 15 newtons, to mimic human hand scrubbing, effectively lifting and removing stubborn stains such as coffee spills, sauce stains, and pet messes. The system continuously refreshes the mop with clean water, ensuring a truly hygienic clean. The E28 boasts an industry-leading 20,000 pascal suction power, making it one of the strongest robotic vacuums available. This high-powered suction effectively removes dust, hair, and debris from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood. It can even extract deeply embedded dirt from thick rugs and pet fur trapped in upholstery. The Boost IQ technology intelligently detects carpets and increases suction power automatically to provide a deeper clean without user intervention. Unlike standard robotic vacuums that only handle surface debris, the FlexiOne portable deep cleaner transforms the E28 into a handheld spot cleaning device for tackling tough stains on carpets, sofas, and fabric surfaces. This detachable water tank system enables users to directly target stubborn spots caused by pet waste, spilled drinks, and embedded dirt, offering a level of versatility not commonly found in robotic cleaners. With this 3-in-1 motor turbo technology, users no longer need separate machines for deep carpet cleaning. Hair entanglement is a common issue for robotic vacuums, often requiring frequent manual maintenance. The E28's DuoSpiral brushes are specifically designed to prevent this problem. These self-developed retractable dual spiral brushes rotate forward during cleaning to capture hair and debris efficiently. When the vacuum returns to the base station, the brushes automatically retract and spin in reverse, using the Archimedes spiral principle to funnel collected hair into the dustbin without tangles. This reduces maintenance time and ensures consistent cleaning performance. Cleaning along edges and in tight corners is challenging for many robotic vacuums, but the E28's smart corner brush, also known as the corner rover arm, extends to reach difficult areas. This auto-extending side brush detects walls and corners, ensuring complete edge cleaning coverage. It increases overall cleaning effectiveness compared to standard models, particularly around irregular furniture and baseboards. The E28 features advanced AIC obstacle avoidance, which leverages RGB visual recognition and AI-powered navigation. This enables the robot to identify and maneuver around 200+ household objects, such as furniture, toys, and cables, preventing unnecessary collisions and improving efficiency. It even operates effectively in low-light conditions thanks to its integrated LED lighting system. Additionally, the E28's smart dirt detection identifies 30+ different stains, allowing the vacuum to adjust its cleaning strategy accordingly. Users can view automatic stain reports via the mobile app, ensuring thorough and customized cleaning. One of the standout features of the E28 is its all-in-one station, which eliminates the need for constant manual intervention. This intelligent base station offers the following: auto emptying with 3-liter dust bag support for up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. Auto refilling. The 2.5-liter clean water tank keeps the mop refreshed during each session. Auto detergent edition enhances floor washing effectiveness. Auto washing and drying. The station automatically cleans and dries the mop with temperature-controlled drying ranging from 35 to 50 degrees Celsius, preventing mold and odors. Auto waste collection. A 1.8-liter tank collects dirty water, keeping the system hygienic. The eufy E28 sets a new standard for robotic floor care with its powerful 20,000 pascal suction, HydroJet self-cleaning mop, and FlexiOne detachable deep cleaner. Its AI-powered obstacle avoidance, DuoSpiral detangle brushes, and smart corner brush ensure comprehensive cleaning coverage with minimal effort. Paired with the all-in-one station, users can enjoy a truly hands-free experience. Whether tackling pet hair, deep carpet stains, or daily dust, the E28 delivers superior results, making it the ultimate cleaning companion for modern homes. Eufy just unveiled the world's first HydroJet robot vacuums. The E25 and E28 offer powerful deep cleaning, and the E28 includes a portable deep cleaner for fabrics. Pre-order now for just $9.90 and save up to 15%. Grab yours at the link below.